Hi, Jody Wagner, Goosehead Insurance here in Cincinnati, Ohio. Hey, as my daughter gets ready to move off campus this year up at Ohio State, she'll be a sophomore. Last year she was in the dorms. This year she opted to live off campus. We're getting ready to, buy the stuff that she needs to furnish the house that she's going to be living in. Need to remind myself, and the landlord requires it, but to take out a renter's insurance policy for her. So not only does a renter's insurance policy cover her personal property, which she's a college student, she doesn't have that much in the way of personal property. Maybe she's got, her clothes, her shoes, um, her bedroom furniture, maybe a couch and a bike, and a laptop, which actually the laptop we have insured on a separate policy. So not a lot to cover in the way of personal property, but almost more importantly is the personal liability that comes with the renter's insurance policy. So say she's cooking in the kitchen and accidentally catches the kitchen on fire and causes damage. Well, yeah, the owner of the property, their policy, their dwelling policy or landlord policy, their insurance policy is going to pay for the damages, but ultimately they're going to go back to Taylor, my daughter, if she's the one that caused the damage, and look to her to reimburse them or subrogate for the damages. And a renter's insurance policy is a great way to bridge that gap. And just to let you know, a standard renter's insurance policy comes with like $100,000 of personal liability. I always bump it up to at least 300,000, if not $500,000 in personal liability coverage because the incremental cost is really not that much. You'd be kicking yourself if you didn't take that out and, you know, exceeded the $100,000 in standard coverage limit that comes with the policy. So that's my 2 cents. That's on my list to do is to take out the renter's insurance policy. Her landlord requires it. Most responsible landlords do require the renters to have an insurance policy. So if your child is moving off campus and doesn't have a renter's insurance policy now, well, here's a reminder. Thank you.